Tuples in Python. Tuples are an immutable data structure in Python. This means that after the tuple has been created, you will not be able to modify the tuple's contents in any way. You will not be able to insert, remove, or update any elements. Tuple elements are ordered. This means that the index value of the first element is 0. To create a tuple in Python, we make use of parentheses, that is, round brackets. We enclose all elements in a pair of round brackets and separate each element from the next by using a comma. Tuples may contain a variety of data types. For example, tup is equals to 13, true, 99.99, Python. Looking at the above example, we are able to see a tuple. We have 4 elements in this collection. Each is of a different data type. The name given to the variable that is storing this collection is tup. You may name it anything you like. A tuple will allow for duplicate values to exist in the collection. The index position of each element will never change throughout the tuple's lifetime because they are immutable. To provide you with a scenario that depicts the use case of tuples in your Python script. When you need to store pieces of information that are logically related to one another but still fundamentally different, it is in these situations when you would make use of a tuple. For example, to store information that pertains to an individual's credentials. Now we shall look at the final type of collection type for this lesson, the dictionary. Dictionary in Python. This will be the last collection type we will look at in this lesson. A dictionary in Python stores information as key value pairs. A good analogy to understand the logic of dictionaries will be, think of a dictionary, the actual book. Just as a dictionary has information written in the form of word definition pairs, a dictionary in Python works the same way. It is important to note that in a dictionary, all keys need to be unique. In this situation, you can understand the logic behind a dictionary by associating it to a deck of cards. You see, in a dictionary, the keys need to be unique. However, values may be repeated. For example, in a deck of cards, there can only be one of each card. Cards may have the same value, but they will not be the same because of dissimilar keys. For example, the 3 of clubs and the 3 of spades will both have the same value, but they are different because their keys are different. The syntax for creating a dictionary in Python is as follows. Name of dictionary variable, assignment operator, key value pairs of information. Line number in Spider IDE. Dictionaries are created by the use of curly brackets. Dictionary name is equals to key value. An example of creating a dictionary in Python is as follows. Country capitals is equals to Algeria, Algiers, Andorra, Andorra la Vella, Angola, Luanda, Antigua and Barbuda, St. John's. Looking above, we are able to see that we have created a dictionary in Python which is storing the names of countries and their respective capital city names. Pay careful attention of how we are storing the information as key and value pairs. The keys are the name of the country and the values are the capital city. Print the dictionary to the screen and view the output. Print country capitals. In Python, when we call on a key, we get returned the value that it holds. Print country capitals.get Algeria. Output will show as follows. Algiers. A dictionary does not support the technique of indexing and slicing. We have now successfully learned the fundamentals of Python data structures. You may notice that this tutorial focused more on the textual and informative definitions of the concepts along with the Python syntax. Now we shall look at use cases and more features that Python data structures allow us to perform on them. And with that, we shall end the video here. Thank you for your time, everyone.